Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming a qualifying edition and admin access. Remote desktop is not available on Windows 10 Home. Once you have admin credentials, open Settings and navigate to System Remote Desktop to begin. Make sure Network Profile is private. This allows discovery and firewall rules to apply. While you're here, note the PC name shown. You'll need it later. If the device uses dynamic IP, plan to reserve an address in your router so the name or IP stays consistent. Next, turn on Remote Desktop and accept the dialog to enable required services. This automatically creates firewall rules, but verify them. Click Select Users to add non-admin accounts that need access. This prevents overuse of admin credentials. Then open Windows Defender Firewall Advanced Settings to confirm inbound rules for Remote Desktop. TCP 3389 are enabled for private and public as needed. Once done, check the Remote Desktop Services status in Services, MSC, and restart the service if it isn't running. To finish, open Remote Desktop Connection on the client, enter the PC name or reserved IP, and sign in with an allowed account. Accept the certificate prompt if one appears. If you can't connect, verify the target's IP, test port 3389 with testnet connection or telnet, and confirm router port forwarding if accessing across NAT. Make sure network-level authentication is set correctly. Disable briefly to see if authentication is blocking you. Finally, check Event Viewer for remote desktop and firewall logs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.